President. It is official. The President of God Game Philippines
Anderson,
3x3 is
umaarangkada
the
ang
Gerald
kanyang,
Anderson.
ang kanyang career sa basketball. Ayan, president na siya ng God Games PH 3x3.
As a silent supporter, grabe, I'm very super, alam ko pinaghirapan niya yan. I'm just, ganun eh, that's why it's been
hindi siya papansin,
like this,
hindi pa
naging
epal.
okay kami for so many years, is because
Nayaan
sinusuportahan
lang
namin
na
ang isa't isa.
napaka-supportive sa Diyos Lia. Yan ang matured na siya.
Well, sa totoo lang, awkward talaga na trabaho namin, ganun talaga. I've been in andun ako sa sitwasyon na before, that's why I try to be as supportive as possible na hindi what do you call this? No, I don't want to steal the spotlight or, di ba, that's, pinaghirapan nila yan eh. And I know how hard it is to work on a movie na gusto mo mapanood ng marami tao. So, you just give it to her. And it's her time. Yeah, of course. Yeah.